Okay, I just bought this package. In here I have a Hiksemi pendrive storage of 128 GB. Now I have to open it. I just bought it from StarTech, I think. Yes. Okay, now I have to open it. I'm just using a fruit cutting knife. Okay, they also told me to open it while making a video, so I'm trying to do that. Okay. Okay. So packaging is good. A receipt in there. I will read that later. Is that authentic? I think it might be authentic. Hiksemi Slim. Yes. Why it is authentic? Because you have to can see that there is a authentication that called Excel plus service, Excel plus service. It is the if you buy the real one or the manufacturer one, they don't have this one and write this one. That is the certificate of it is real. So I got this metal, I think metal dual Hiksemi. Hey, 5 years of warranty and 128 GB slim, and it got here like Excel service. Okay, my room's light on the up one of me, that's why there is a shadow on here. Now I have to open it. Looking good, I think. Yes, I think it's good. Okay. Give me a side, man, huh? The video, they said like it's opened it like this one. Look good. Okay, no problem. Go ahead, okay. I can't. Oh. First impression, this look good. I think you can like do that, and you can do that also. And frame is fully metal. Hiksemi writing on this. 3 USB in here. The like USB 3.2 180 GB is writing on this. My phone is can't read that, I think. Okay, don't worry. Now I have to test it, right? Okay, I have to test it. It's good or bad, or is the real one? I think it will be real one. Okay. I got my MacBook Air M1. Try to finish. Comment me if you know this man right here. Don't know what to do. This stick is not for me. Oh shit. Okay. It's still here, man. Alright. Now I just put it. So my Mac don't have a port. As everybody know, it's a C port. See why it's not entering. Okay. I just got it. Yeah, make okay. I have to Google type open refresh. So yes, this is the name I have to read. Go closer. Yes, like that. Yes. And one. I think might be closer. Okay. So I don't know why my phone. Okay, now I have to test it. I have no name. Okay. So I think there is a website called pendrive valid. Pendrive valid to test. Here. Text for service. Info. Yes, the capacity. If I make that big, why it is not big? So, check the USB. Interior email address here. I don't know how to like check my pen drive. And 25. Capacity is 128 GB, and now it's going 25 GB. Use 3.9 bytes on the DeX. Okay. It is the video. No name. I have to change the name. Yeah. So guys, this is the video. I'm stop recording. See you guys another video.